Good afternoon, everyone. I am Raj Dwivedi, third year undergraduate in Elect department. I am here to give you fun days and tips and some more insight about how to get a research intern and how to go getting a research intern. By the way, I would like to know how many of you are first year students. Oh. How many of you are second year? So general tip for the first year, enjoy your first year. Given that your CPI is low. Trust me, that CPI matters a lot in almost each area. Fine. It will help you even in getting an intern. It will help you in getting a job as well. Anyways, I am not here to give tips about jobs and all. So talking about the research intern, in your first year you generally don't have much of insight in your department. It's okay. If you in your DIC you get some interest, you go and talk to professor, do some work in summer. I would not suggest that. I would rather say that try something in ITSP or take up some reading project if you get interested in some particular topic. If you don't want to do that, you want to chill out in first year summer, that's completely okay. I did so. I didn't do anything in first year summer. I didn't do anything in second year winter as well. Fine. So when does one start really looking for research projects, exploring more into the department? In the third semester, you must be serious. You get a little bit more insight about what is going in your department. Try interacting with professors. I don't know, how does one go and interact with professors? I will come to that later. Try interacting with professors. Keep exploring different projects, different areas. And I would suggest in second year summer, most of you should do a good project here at IIT Bombay. Now, for this, there is a conflict. Should we go for a foreign intern in the second year, or should we do a project here? See, I did a project here in second year summer, and that helped me get an intern in one single mail for third year summer. So, if you don't do a research project here, you may have to struggle a lot for getting a third year summer intern outside. Now, the point is, does it matter? The second year summer intern, does it matter whether we go outside or not? No, it doesn't. If you do a good work here, that is good enough. You may get a paper published out of your project work in the second year summer. So that is the best I think one should do. So try interacting with your professor in your third semester and fourth semester. If you are interested in some particular topic, you can do project work in third year winter as well, and in second year summer. I hope things are going in a nice smooth way. Okay. And now, how does one approach a professor? The point is very simple. You go, you knock his door, ask him, sir, I am second year or first year undergraduate. I am interested in your department, take civil department. I want to do something. Do you have anything for me? Can I learn something under you? That's all. Nothing more. Don't tell him that I have such a high profile, high background. Just go and tell him I am second year or first year. I want to learn something. Do you have anything for me? Now, which professor to approach? That depends on you. You look at the website of your department, see which professors have been working on what area. If any of the area makes sense to you, go and talk to that person. Okay? Some of the times, some professors have lucrative profile. They are from very good universities. Most of the time, you should go to such professors or from good unis because they have good contacts. And many of my seniors told me, at the end of the day, it boils down to your contacts. So your contacts among seniors get you many things here, but your contacts among professors will get you places outside. That is the key point. So develop a network among professors, not only among seniors and juniors and your batchmates. A network among professors. And if you start in the very first year, that is good enough. How to start in the first year? You go and just chit chat with your professor after class, or maybe someday you say, I have doubts, I want to talk to you. Go and talk to them. Just ask out of curiosity, how was your first year? How did you decide you want to become a professor? These questions can be asked. And such interactions help you build kind of a relationship between student and professor. Okay? So it's like you being curious makes professor curious about you. It's not only about grades and your CPI. Professors are looking for students who are curious. You want to learn something. You want to interact. You want to learn something out of that. And they are very helpful. Trust me. I have a good network among many professors in EE and maths, and they are very good. They are very helpful. Many of them told me, if you don't get an intern, tell us in March, we'll get you an intern even that day. But that didn't happen. So it's like people will help you, provided you are being curious, you interact with them. And don't wait for the last day कि भाई third year का September शुरू हो गया है, अभी मेरे को intern चाहिए, go and talk to them, can you get me an intern? No, that will not happen. But most of the time what will happen, if you go to your guide or project, under whom you did a project and ask him, sir, I want to do a foreign intern in the next summer, what is your idea? He said that is a very good idea and you should do it in a good university. You tell him, sir, how do I approach a good university? Will they consider my name? They'll tell you some person in the department who knows professors in good universities outside. That is what happened with me. So it will happen with you. Many of my friends in other ITs also applied the same formula. They did project work with professor. And one of the mechanical guys got an intern outside with the help of chemical HOD. So, you know, such diverse networks are there. So you just need to make use of it. Go to professors, interact with them, take up some work under them. If you don't get interested, you can tell them, yeah, I'm not interested in this area, give me something else. So in the first year, I will say, chill out, but maintain your CPI. CPI is most important. Though professors don't really, build their so-called relationship on the basis of CPI, but CPI will help you get an intern, a job, or anything else that you want. It's often in the 5th semester or 7th semester people realize, yeah, I should have maintained a better CPI, because at the end of the day you realize that there are better dancers and singers than you, outside. But there are not better E-engineers or civil engineers or meta engineers than you outside. So people realize it in 5th semester or 7th semester. So I hope you realize it now itself. That should not happen. Anything else? Okay, general fund is about mailing. I don't know if it is relevant. Do not spam. That is what is told to many of us. But those who have a good CPI, good work, good professor, they don't need to spam. They just need to send 10 or 15 mails. If professors are interested, they will take it. Mail should be simple. Be honest. Tell them your areas are interesting. I want to get an internship. Can you provide me with some opportunity in your university? And then that's all. Nothing more. Don't flatter about yourself. Don't tell too many things. Don't write a big long story mail. Just write simple, short. Yeah, I am this year undergraduate. I'm from this department. My CPI is this. Your areas are interesting. If you have some background, tell about it. Otherwise, don't. Now, how to look for professors if you have not done any project under any professor here? Just go to websites, different websites. Look for universities, look for departments, look for professors. See if they offer internship. If they don't, mail them and ask. But don't spam in general. Anyways, I may get off the topic. So, in case you have any queries, let me know. No queries. Any queries?
What do you mean by good CPI?
So I classify CPI in 4 or 5 groups. I don't remember. One is greater than 9 and the rest. As simple as that. Greater than 9 have the best. Look, that is understood. Greater than 9, then 8 and 9 and 7. The rest are same. Yeah, see, just it should be common sense. What do you think if you are a third person about somebody's CPI? The same. It applies very logically. Nothing. A good CPI is more than 9. And you can do it, provided you are willing to put in 1 hour a day. Every day. 1 hour a day, every day. That is it. And that doesn't happen. Yeah. Thing else? Yeah.
What if I have a low CPI in my first year?
Yeah.
But I am interested in research or doing a research in that.
Yeah.
So then how do I go about building a department?
Yeah, that is a very good question. See, my movie was some 7 pointer in the very first semester. Now it's 8.8. It's 8.8. Why? Because he realized after the first year itself. He got some 9.5 in third semester. He started with 7.2. He got 9.5. So there is an example. And he is doing very good projects, better than me. He got a URA. I didn't get any URA so far. He got a URA. So example is just in front of you. He is my roomie. If you want to know his name, I will not tell his name. Anyway. So he was 7 pointer, but he was motivated enough. By the way, he became my roomie in the second year. So I take sometimes the credit for the boost in CPI. Anyways, so the point is, if you realize after the first year, that is good enough. I will say relax in first year, but maintain your CPI. Unfortunately, if you are not able to maintain your CPI, just hold on. In third semester, study hard. talk to professors, tell them, sir, I was distracted in first year. How do I go about scoring good marks in your course? How do I go about learning as much as possible? Can I do a project under you? He will say most likely, wait for the third semester, we will discuss this in December. Go and talk to him. If you are willing to do in December, talk to him, can I do a project? He will say, okay, fine. Otherwise, talk to him, can I do a project in next semester? Professors will never deny, provided you are curious, provided you are interested. And thereby, it's like, don't say कि मेरा मन नहीं करता है मैं कैसे improve करूँ, फिर तो कुछ नहीं होना है ना? You need to put in efforts. जब जाओ तभी समझना. Yeah. Anything else? What is your? Oh, it is undergraduate research award. It is given to you if you do a very good project under some professor. It depends on the professor. Okay, yeah. URA is undergraduate research award, and the name speaks what it is about. If you do a good project, research project under some professor, you will get a URA on his recommendation.
Does it happen under IT professor?
What?
URA?
Yeah, I think yes. Yeah, URA is given by IIT Bombay. So it.
No, but the professor has to be of IT Bombay.
I think.
Yes,
But,
yes.
yeah, I think so.
So it can be authorized only by an IT Bombay professor.
See, if you have network here, it will be very easy for you to develop a network outside you. You go there, you interact with professors, and you build a network there. If you don't have any network here, it is difficult for you to approach anyone else. They don't read your mail. See, the point is, if you are a good pointer, if you are good at academics, you mail. The point is whether the professor will read your mail or not. And for that, you may have to send 100 mails. That depends on your luck. So professors, if you know professors here, for sure your mail will be there. It's not like a professor here knows only one professor outside. They know many of them. Because most of the PhD here are from outside. Anything else? You can ask anything. I have not been very clear about many things.
I read that you had an intern in Stanford.
Yeah.
So how did you go about it?
See, yeah, I did a project in second year, and in after second year summer, I was here. I worked with two professors. I also did a maths course. I also did TA shift during summer. So my network in maths was good. My network in EE was okay. What I did, I went in September and I talked to the professors under whom I worked. They told me they knew people at Purdue University, but I should try for better universities. So I said, how do I go? How do I approach bigger universities? They told these are some. They took 2-3 names. They told go and talk to them. I said, मैं तो जानता ही नहीं हूँ. I didn't do anything with them. I didn't take any course. How can I go and talk to them? They said, go and talk to them. Give our reference. It's like, I went to a professor here whom I knew. He sent to me another professor there whom he knew. And I went and talked to professor saying कि मुझे आप maths के एक professor ने भेजा, English के दो professor ने आपके पास भेजा. Do you know anyone outside? Though I don't have any good background in communication area or such areas, but I want to do a good intern next summer in this area because I may learn a lot over the year. I said fine. They talked to a professor in MIT and in Stanford, and what happened? Both the professors were eventually in Stanford. So I got an intern in Stanford. So it's like people here will help. Yeah. So if you want to try at big universities, either your profile should be outstanding or your contacts here should be outstanding. And contacts here are outstanding, that includes your profile is outstanding. So you can build on that. You are still, your only first semester is over. Most of you should realize that. If you don't, you will realize in 5th or 7th, at latest by 8th, the placement may get. So you will realize. See, many of the E guys in late semester they say, yeah, E में बहुत हेल्प हुआ है. क्यों? Because they realize there are better dancers and singers than us outside. So वही एक कब realize करोगे? Depends on you. If you want good profile, good repo, you want to get famous, start working. मतलब थोड़ा tech करना शुरू कर. Anything else? And people here are good. They will support you. If you are not interested, they will give some other one. They will not force you. That is the flexibility you have here. If you go in second year to some outside place, you don't know what work they will do. and you lose relation when you come back. While here you can build on the same project again and again and improve. Yeah. Anything?
What are the benefits of getting a URI?
But the benefits of getting a URI, it is definitely helpful in improving your research profile. It shows that you have proven your research potential. Because it's like IIT has authorized you by saying, yeah, this guy is good, he has got an award for research. So it's simply like getting an award for research. So it's like IIT Bombay has authorized, yeah, this guy is genuine, he has done something. So that will shoot you, it will boost your research. What? No. See, depends on you. I will suggest in first year you do a project in summer for at most 40 days. Rest 40 days you enjoy. Itna zyada stress mat lo. See, the point is either you work for the 4 months or you work for the 2.5 months. Simple. या तो सेम में काम करो या तो समर में काम करो. As simple as that. If you do work in summer, hardly people will recognize. If you do work in these 4 months, people will recognize. So summer में you can do work for 40 days in the first year. Second year में depends on you 50 days, 60 days. People do get मतलब holidays. 15 days you can talk to professor. It's not very big. Some of you may want to try at IISc if you are interested in science after second year. Anything?
What is your CPI?
Oh. Well, it's 9.9. So that is not related to our talk today, है ना? I said no. I believe in these 4 numbers. 3 numbers. 7, 8, and 9. 9 is good enough. 8 is okay. You should push and try crossing 9. It's just like if you are in one mandal, try to push it to the next one. And please trust me, CPI will help. If not anything else, it reflects your confidence. कहीं कोई पूछेगा तो बता सकते कि हाँ 9.9. Otherwise, like, क्या है? अरे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? मत पूछो. Also, it helps to see. If you do good in a course, you can become a TA. That is another advantage of doing good in academics. You can become a TA and you will be paid like 6,000 rupees per month for doing almost nothing. You know तुम्हारे TA क्या करते हैं? Anything else? And getting internship in US is difficult. India, it is difficult. PT cell के through जो आएंगे, they will take the 9+ pointers. So be a 9+ or just wait for some luck to कुछ luck मिल जाए.
Or to build your research profile, I think we can have Praveen now.
Sure.
Thanks, Ras.